Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. You know about the Ag Center on the right. As I was coming into town, I saw something interesting that I thought I'd take a closer look. So this is the Randolph County Agricultural Center naming. They've got the sign up there, irfanview. It's all their sponsors. Artie Culp Road. That may have been an ag agent in Randolph County, I'm going to guess. R-T-A-R-T-I-E-C-U-L-P. I think I read that correctly. I can look it up. Now, I haven't been in here a little bit. They've planted some trees for tree breaks. But here you're going to see ahead why I came back. There's the American flag. There's a lot of cars here. Now, I believe that big building ahead is called something like the arena. Lower parking. The resource center and the kitchens and the food hub is to the right. Event center and arena. Do not enter. Now these don't have state license plates on them, so I'm assuming there's an event going on and there's a crowd here. I need to look online to see if I can find their event schedule. That would be the front entrance straight ahead. There's the handicap parking. Millstone Creek Orchards is the name on one of the vehicles here. I think I've heard of them actually. I've traveled a lot and certain things kind of stand out. I'll bet there's an event. And they've got a good crowd. Now remember, this is the Agricultural Center and it tends to be farm and extension oriented. And I came in because I don't remember seeing in the times that I've driven by the parking lot being full. So I thought I would come and take a look. Oh, what I meant by stake vehicles, let me show you. When I said it doesn't look like there's state license plates on them, see the orange plates? Okay, here's a truck, North Carolina Cooperative Extension. They had their office somewhere else before this center was built. You see the orange plate. Now, I used to work in NC State, so I kind of spot those kind of things. Orange plate, Cooperative Extension. It's obviously for group stuff. Let me just get down a little further and turn around. This one is not a Cooperative Extension card. All right? And that water truck's been down there forever. Okay, so that's the first time I've seen the Cooperative Extension logo on the side of two vehicles. And the vehicles look pretty new. And actually you can't see, but I got a smile on my face. I'm glad to see they're having events. Look, I'm an Aggie. My college studies were in agriculture, plus my time in Israel, which was almost all agriculture. Strong emphasis on citrus, but other things too. Yeah, citrus in North Carolina, right. So I just gave you a quick tour of the event parking lot of the Randolph County Agricultural Center, and I think it's safe to go. Thank you. This is Steve A.B.4L, just checking out where our tax dollars have been spent. Saying see you in 73.